Okay, we're back for our third session.
Yeah, we're
and
back.
we have
Cameraman.
the cameraman for the first
Change
time.
our luck.
Yeah.
The Chris Allen.
Can you see the resemblance with Chris Allen of American Idol?
Okay.
Give a sample of your singing voice, my friend. Come on. You see?
See?
The buntong hininga is
Just-
like a song.
Just like it, ha?
Jamal Crawford.
Oh, Saki start.
Oh.
Badinger!
Jace Budinger.
Oh my
God!
Goodness! Give me the camera back.
Oh.
Sebastian Telfair.
Oh.
Oh, wait,
Patch. Squad patch. Who's that?
Julden.
The Bulls.
Bulls.
It's all Chicago Bulls.
Yeah, but
Jordan
no
ba?
Jordan.
No, but no
Lucas
Jordan.
Pippen.
Let's look at the patch at the back.
Patch na the back.
Oh, it sucks.
Sucks. Never mind.
Oh, no luck. Give me the camera back.
Oh, no, still two more.
We'll see.
You have to get a good card.
Because
here.
if there's a logo man there, you will be kissed by
Oh! No.
Huh?
No.
Rudy Gay will kiss June. Will kiss ano eh.
John
Okay.
Tolentino?
Shut up. Edsel Alvarez.
Okay, James
James
Harden. Redemption.
Number
Ah.
250, the
Clyde
Clyde Drexler.
Drexler.
Dalawa na yan. Ay, may Drexler ba the rookie patch?
Ron
Oh,
Artest.
Ron Artest.
Not
May
bad.
ano
Hey,
ba?
you.
I am!
Oh. Stop talking.
It's
May Drexler ba the rookie patch?
Baliktad.
Meron?
Ay, wala. No rookie.
Oh, it's baliktad again.
Oh.
Eh, what's wrong with you?
Oh, it sucks.
oh,
That's a third.
Brewer.
Oh, goodness.
What the fuck, bro?
Okay, save me. This last box should save me.
Still have what? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5?
And then we have 3 more here.
Huh?
3 more cases here. 8
3,
cases.
6 plus 2. 6 cases.
Okay.
Come on, we're halfway through. Well, we pulled the Bill Russell.
Well, you cannot. It's not Christmas every, you know.
Yeah, there's a Garnett.
It's not Christmas.
There's something coming nice, I think.
Oh no, it's
Bilimir.
Bilimir. I hate you, Bilimir. Ah, Jason Richardson.
Again.
Okay. Oh, Brandon Jennings.
Okay.
Pang-apat na yun, diba?
Okay. So that didn't work.
Okay,
Carmelo.
next.
Okay.
Your side.
Cameraman is going back.
Tapos si mo, mag last kiss.
You go back to your role.
Yeah.
Yeah, you go back
Because
to
you're
the-
sucky as a
Didn't change.
cameraman anyway.
Yeah.
Oh,
You don't
okay.
know how to hold the
The luck
camera.
didn't change.
You're better here, Mr.
Yes.
Okay.
Mr. Alvarez.
Amo ko, ano po.
Yes, Mr. Ang.
Yes, I know. They know who I am.
James
He's
Johnson.
part
James
owner
Young.
of China. Remember?
Oh goodness,
Oh my God,
J.R. Giddens.
Oh my God. Why not J.R. Smith?
Pare, ano ba to?
J.
Rich.
J. Rich.
May pambawi dito na naramdaman ko
Tingin
na.
ko there should be
Sobra eh.
Sobrang sagwa, pare.
It's all, what's this? Old
Pati yung
people.
mga quad, yung 8 jersey, yung quad 3, puro
May
mga
pangbawi yan.
Star.
Manalig tayo mga kapatid.
May pambawi po, Panginoon.
Manalig tayo.
Why, oh why?
Let's pray over the cards. Lord,
Why?
please give us one logo man of Jordan.
Yes.
With any combination. Jordan.
Oh no. Melo. Maynard.
Eric Maynard. Oh, Larry
Larry
Bird.
Bird again.
Oh.
Rondo.
Raining Celtics, ha?
Plus 200 plus din yan, si Larry Bird.
It's
Joe
the reigning
Johnson
Celtics.
And
Come on!
Pare, aalat ah.
No, no.
It's salty.
It's salty.
Alat eh.
Last 2 yung na sa'yo.
Last na rin to.
Come on!
Vince Carter.
Stephen Curry.
Exquisite signature number 250. OJ Mayo. Scola. Patrick Mills. Oh my God, they're all Saki cards.
What's wrong with that box?
Russell Westbrook.
Oh.
Damn! Okay, over deck.
Come on, come on!
Stop screwing us.
Come on.
I hope we're saving the best for
For
the
last,
last
huh?
batches.
BJ
Remember
Mullins.
the Jordan? We got that on our last.
Oh
Last
my
box.
God, Desmond Mason.
Desmond Mason, pare, sobra naman. Uy, wow.
Wow, what a patch.
Ray Allen.
What a patch.
Parang may autograph.
Hindi.
Hindi.
Ano yan?
May silhouette.
Patch talaga.
Solid yun, no?
It's just-
Solid patch.
Meron bang...
Did not say.
Did not say?
Maybe it's from the Sonics because there's a little bit of yellow on top.
Ah, yes.
Terrence Williams and West small forwards. See, that's also to prove that it's not always loaded.
No, no, don't say that. We will have the last say.
Oh.
Oh, the middle one is an old card.
Derek
It's a-
Brown.
It's a rookie
Hey,
card.
you stop doing that.
Oh my.
It's a
I
rookie
asked my
card.
wife where she was. And then she said Miss Gay. I thought she was
Oh, see? Rookie card. Rookie card of who? Andre Emmett?
Andre Emmett.
Oh, ah.
Is he still
But it's
playing?
for color.
Sean Marion.
Sean Marion.
Why do they give us an Andre Emmett? For what?
DeMar Rosan Batay.
Oh, what's
Oh,
that?
LeBron.
It's a
LeBron.
LeBron one of one.
Masterpiece.
Wow. At
But-
least.
One of one.
Two retro from that, ano.
Oh yeah.
Yeah.
2 old cards from that case. Box.
Okay, last for this.
Ilan na yung nasa yun, Edson?
Dalawa.
Oh, sige,
Dalawang
last. Last. Oh, ba't may ano?
Tama. Dalawa ka pa dyan.
Dalawa.
So, apat plus
Tama.
4 cases.
We'll just finish this off. Oh,
Oh, what?
this might be a retro.
Oh?
Please, let it be a
I'm the lucky
Jordan.
one.
Please.
I'm the
Okay.
lucky one.
Kalbo.
My
Oh,
Gordie Howe.
Yeah.
Look,
Kalbo. Rudy Gay.
Rudy Gay yan?
yeah, it's
Oh,
the gay
it's
guy.
Rudy Gay guy.
Rudy Gay with hair.
Yeah.
Hindi, akala ko next na. Ayun, last pa yun.
Ilan na lang ba? Ilan sa'yo?
Dalawa.
3 yan?
May isa pa doon
Ah,
sa baba.
okay. So we'll finish that.
Let's finish this. Let's finish the bleeding.
Yeah.
Come on,
No more bleeding.
let's start getting good cards, please.
Derek Brown. Vlade.
Oh, bloody hell. Oh,
Vladi. Elton
bloody
Brand.
hell.
Oh, back-to-back na.
Amari.
Ramare.
Uy,
Jordan.
nice gold.
Diba?
One of one!
We were just referring to it earlier. We were just talking about it earlier.
Oh, see?
We were just talking about that
The
earlier.
silver lining.
Sabi mo yan kasi, ano mo,
Wow.
para yung may
The
masa.
silver
Oh.
lining.
Natabenta yung jersey patch na number 2. Pero nabenta na natin
Nabenta natin.
Putang ina.
Wow, we got the one of one auto pass and we got the one of one base card.
Silver
Look at that,
lining.
guys.
Kasi maganda yan. Yung
Okay.
master set. Is one of one auto patch.
Things are looking up.
Kaso natin jersey patch nabenta na natin.
Things are looking up.
Pero baka bala na. Pag kailangan natin ng ano, pwede na yan.
Nice.
Shit! One of one! Look at that again.
No, don't do that.
You're destroying
Whoa! Mahal yan. Dapat siguro 2 at least 2.
James Harden.
I-post na natin yan.
Exquisite signature Derrick Rose number 250.
Derek.
Tamo, sabi sa'yo may saving grace. eh.
Celtics Paul
Paul
Pierce.
Pierce.
Pare, it's
patch.
raining Celtics eh.
Yeah.
Di ba pansin? Puro Celtics.
The one
So, we
Blair.
have the saving grace already.
Pare, baka
The
feeling ko baka...
Jordan saved us
Yung ano ba pinakamatindi sa
from the
Celtics na pwede
bleeding.
makuha?
Ha?
Ano pwede pinakamatindi na
Nakuha na
makuha?
natin eh.
Logo man.
All, yung
Duo logo man.
Oh.
Triple logo man.
Hey, who's calling you ha? This time ha? Of the night, 11 o'clock ha? Start your wife ha?
Yeah.
You still look for it's again.
Paul Pierce. Getting a ton of
Paul
Celtics
Pierce.
cards. Sam Young.
Ron, 4
Nice.
colors.
First time All-Star, no?
Yeah.
First time ba? Last
Yeah.
year, di ba siya?
No. First time.
Chris Bosh.
Chris Bosh.
What about Rudy Gay?
Is he
Blake
in
Griffin.
the All-Star game?
No,
Oh.
Zach Randolph-Fish.
Shaquille O'Neal.
Uy, one of one!
Four
Eh.
of 10. Shut up.
Almost.
Okay.
Okay, so that's it. We'll come back for the last 3 cases.